He is cleaning off the gloves. Don't die. There we go. Now we're going to be see through that window.
In the inside.
Clean the inside.
So you can see. I can do it blindfolded.
No, life is worth living. You get your head out of there.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't show the eggs. Grab one of the eggs real quick. He's going
We'll
to...
do before and after.
Well, you can't see the before.
You can if you...
Oh, you're going to hold the egg up?
Yeah.
There is the egg.
That's
It's
a
shaped
hen
like
egg.
a little crystal egg.
This is my nozzle. I have two sizes. Actually, three. I only use two. There's a small one and a big one.
What's
I'll
this
probably
thing
just
called,
use-
this machine?
This is a sandblaster.
Sandblaster. Very dangerous.
Okay. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Let me get everything adjusted. A little more pressure.
And so you have to do this until you figure out which, you do it until it's shaped like a snowman?
Yeah. That might turn out to where it don't even look like a
Can you
snowman.
see it?
Barely.
Let me get down.
That's okay.
Here, you watch one and then I'll do two.
Oh, okay. I'll watch one, you watch one. What's that doing? Can you see it in the screen?
See how it's carved away the tip of that already?
Yeah, it's indented. That didn't take long at all.
Right.
There's sand everywhere. That is cool. What? We've got two in there. We're gonna do another one for you. Okay. What makes it spurt like that?
Hmm?
The spurting. It goes.
Oh, I was doing that with my foot.
Oh. You've got some frogs down there. Oh, that's good.
See that?
It's got a little head. Yeah, I see it.
Okay. And rounding the hood off